Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. Now I am going to start exercise 8.3 page number 189 from Ncert CBSE textbook. This is the first problem. It has 4 subsections. All the problems are based on complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum is equal to 90 degree. Here the first problem is like this. Sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. We need to check whether the given two angles are making 90 degree or not. So here 18 plus 72 is equal to 90 degree. So either the numerator or the denominator we need to convert such that both numerator and denominator have the same angle. Suppose say here 18 we can write it as 90 minus 72. So in the numerator I am replacing 18 as 90 minus 72 divided by cos 72. In the numerator we have, it is of the form sin 90 minus theta, which is nothing but cos theta. So the numerator we can write it as sin 90 minus 72. I am writing it as cos 72 divided by the denominator is cos 72. So which is nothing but 1. So answer for this problem is 1. This is second subsection from problem number 1, exercise 8.3. So the problem is tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. Again we need to check whether the given two angles are making 90 degree or not. So 26 plus 64 is 90, which is nothing but 26 and 64 are complementary angle pair. So 64 I can write it as 90 minus 26, so that the both numerator and denominator will come to the same angle. So tan 26 divided by cot 64, we can write it as 90 minus 26. So denominator is of the form cot 90 minus theta, so which is nothing but tan theta. Remember, tan and cot are complementary pairs. So here tan 26 divided by cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So here cot 90 minus 26 is tan 26. So which is nothing but 1. Now this is the third subsection from problem number 1, exercise 8.3. Problem goes like this. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Again check whether these two angles are making 90 degrees or not. So 48 plus 42 is 90 degree. That is, these two are complementary pairs, right? Complementary angles. 48 and 42 are complementary pair. So 42, I am writing it as 90 minus 48. So see here, cos 48 degree minus sin. In place of 42, we can write 90 minus 48. So here cos 48 degree minus sin 90 minus theta. The sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So sin 90 minus 48, we can write it as cos 48. So cos 48 degree minus cos 48 degree is 0. So the answer for this problem is 0. This is the last subsection from problem number 1, exercise 8.3. So again we need to check in the given problem whether the two angles are making complementary pair or not. So the given problem is like this. Cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. So check out 31 plus 59 making 90 degree. Right? So 59 we can replace it as 90 minus 31. So here cosecant 31 degree minus secant, in place of 59 we can write it as 90 minus 31. So this is of the form secant 90 minus theta, which is nothing but cosecant theta. So we can write it as cosecant 31 degree minus secant 90 minus 31, we can write it as cosecant 31. So cosecant 31 degree minus cosecant 31 degree, 0. So the answer for this problem is 0. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.